Howdy viewers, welcome back to another project from the shed. Are you sick and tired of these door-to-door roller shutter salesmen, or the Jovos rocking up trying to flog you their little bag of magic wheat? Well, today I'm going to show you a hack for your doorbell that should stop them pricks coming back again. Rightio, one of the first things that we're going to do is make up a bit of a label. Grab the old label maker. I'll give that a bit of a print. And we've got our label. Now we're going to stick it on the door. Right, one of the first things I've got to do is give this a bit of a clean. Where I'm going to stick the label down, this is just a bit of isopropyl alcohol, so I'll give it a bit of a squirt. Get any film and that off it. Give it a bit of a wipe. The great thing about this is it dries nice and quickly. Beautiful. Now I'm going to grab my label and I'll whack it on. Lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Next thing we're going to do is work on our doorbell unit. So I've given it a bit of a clean and everything already. I'm ready for the next stage. So we're going to put the cover back on. Apologise for the back. Now, if you like the shirt, you can get them from the Buttsman. He's a pretty good YouTube channel. If you haven't seen him, I recommend you check him out. Righto, now we've got the cover back on. We need to do the one thing that's going to keep our salesmen trying to flog those roller shutters and the Jovos and their magic wheat and keep them away. Righto guys, I'll get into it. Rightio, the next step's a very important one. It's the key to keeping these the salesmen away and your Jovos and all that sort of stuff. If this doesn't work, I will rig up a something along the lines of that motion activated cat deterrent. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out. I'll put a link up here. So let's get into it and do the final step. No tools needed for this this part. There we go. That'll keep them at bay. Winning! Did you see that? Worked an absolute treat. If you're having trouble with door-to-door salesmen or Jovos or anything like that, I suggest you give this a bit of a go. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye for now.